how to watch recently watched videos on TikTok. To get started, you first need to make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok on your phone. Then, open up the TikTok application on your phone. After that, you will be taken to this home page. From here, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, you need to tap on the three bars at the top right corner. After that, you need to select the Settings and Privacy option. Once you're in, go to Activity Center. Then, you need to tap on the Watch History option. You will find all the videos here. This page contains all the watched videos on TikTok, not the ones you saved. There you go. You now know how to watch the recently watched videos on TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily watch recently watched videos on TikTok.